Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today I'm going to be unboxing day number 8 of the Birchbox Advent Calendar. Okay guys, so this is only going to be a short video because I know what's inside already. Okay, so in here we have the Amika Soulfood Nourishing Mask. And I've had this previously in a Birchbox, so I've already tried this product and I know I'm not going to use this one because I wasn't particularly impressed with the one that I got in my Birchbox, unfortunately. Okay, so I'm just going to read you guys what it says on the back and then I'll kind of tell you about my experience with it. So it says, to gratify your hair with rich high-potency nourishment that hydrates and softens to the core. Massage through wet hair, let penetrate for 5 to 7 minutes, then rinse well. Use weekly or daily. Avoid contact with the eyes. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now the one I got was just a mini version of this, so it didn't mean that I was using it a lot, but I think I got maybe like 2 uses out of it, or maybe like 1.5 because I had long hair at the time. And truthfully, you know, I followed the instructions, I kept it on for the 5 to 7 minutes they say, and honestly I didn't feel like it did anything to my hair whatsoever. It smelled nice, it had like a fruity fragrance to it that I found pleasant, maybe like a mangoness I think. But truthfully, it did nothing to my hair. I felt like my regular conditioner, which wouldn't cost as much as this and didn't claim to be a face mask, a hair mask, did a much better job at hydrating my hair and, you know, kind of nourishing it, which is what this claims to do. So sadly, I was disappointed to find this in my advent calendar because, like I said, I'd had it in my Birchbox and unfortunately it was one of the few things that I hadn't liked in that Birchbox. I feel really bad for not being able to give this one a try for you guys, but like I said, I have tried it and I have no interest in using it again basically because I was unimpressed the first time. But what I will do with this is I will either give it to a friend or family member who wants to try it, or I may actually put it in a giveaway for you guys. Now, I feel like it's a bit of a cop-out to kind of give you a product in there that's something I don't like, but then I have read a fair few good reviews on this that people did like it. So maybe it is just me and my hair type it doesn't work for. So it might be nice to give away to one of you guys and then you can let me know what you think of it. Because you know, what doesn't work for one person might work for another. Who knows? So anyway, box number 8, a little bit of a dud, but you know, for someone else, maybe it'll be a nice little product. So that's the video. Like I say, it's not the longest video today because it's not a product that I want to try again. But somebody, like I say, might, so I may possibly include it in a giveaway at some point. So then guys, if you've liked the video, please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already because there'll be another advent calendar unboxing tomorrow with a product I'm actually gonna try this time. So I will see you then. Bye bye.